Welcome to the Web Builder How-To series, Add Products to Featured Products. On your website, in the center of the page, as you scroll down, you'll see 6 featured products. These change every time your customer visits your website and keeps your website fresh. But if you want your own products on the Featured Products area, go to the Control Panel and click on Featured Products. In this area, you can manage which products appear in your Featured Products area. You can add products, you can edit products, and you can search engine optimize those products too. To add a product to Featured Products, click on the button Product from Sourcing Machine, type in the sourcing machine code, and click Search. This will immediately bring up the product. Click Save, and that product's been added to your Featured Products. There's only room for 6 products on Featured Products, so you can activate and deactivate your Featured Products at any time. And that's how to manage the Featured Products area on your website. Thank you for watching.